Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry, and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. The jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations, and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates, and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. The CII Gems and Jewelry Conference 2025 concluded successfully on 28 November at Hotel Le Méridien, New Delhi. Mr. Amit Sharma, CEO of Swar Group, led to high-impact discussions focusing on India's evolving diamond landscape, including the dynamics between natural and lab-grown diamonds and the future of jewelry innovation driven by AI, design, and new retail experiences. The sessions brought together industry leaders including Mr. Sridharan Pillai, Vice President, Government Affairs at De Beers Group, Ms. Richa Singh, Managing Director, Natural Diamond Council, India and Middle East, Professor Satin, from India Centre for Lab-Grown Diamonds, IIT Madras, Ms. Toranj Mehta, Vice President Marketing, De Beers India, Ms. Rupa Datta from Chintan Research Foundation and former Principal Advisor of Ministry of Commerce, Mr. Manoj Jha, Managing Director, Kamakhya Jewel Limited, and Mr. Rahul Desai, MD and CEO, IIG. Project Indra, the alliance led by De Beers Group in partnership with GJPC, is expanding into Nagpur, marking the first activity in the Vidarbha region as part of its ambition to push natural diamond adoption beyond metro hubs. Malabar Gold and Diamonds launched the 15th Brides of India campaign, showcasing 22 brides and 10 celebrities. The edition celebrates India's diverse bridal traditions through region-specific collections, polki, temple jewelry, gemstones, and diamonds. Senko Gold and Diamonds introduced Senkudi Wedding Before the Vows, an immersive pre-wedding experience celebrating modern couples through styled photoshoots, personalized moments, and its Viva bridal jewelry. After hosting 10 couples in Kolkata, the brand plans nationwide expansion supported by designer collaborations, digital activations, and consumer rewards. Joe Salukkas introduced its Shubha Mangalam wedding collection, unveiled by brand ambassador Kirti Suresh. Inspired by South Indian temple artistry, the whole range is BIS certified and crafted by master artisans. The House of Rose brings Italy's legendary micro-mosaic artistry to India through an exclusive collaboration with SICIS, introducing finely crafted miniature tile jewelry to Indian connoisseurs for the first time. Divine Solitaires has launched its new wedding campaign Every Promise Matters, spotlighting diamond-studded Mangal Sutra as symbols of protection, unity and lifelong commitment. The campaign emphasizes ethical sourcing, transparent pricing, and a 123-parameter quality guarantee, reimagining the Mangal Sutra as a meaningful, enduring expression of marital promises. Shine Shilpi is launching the Shine House from 15 to 17 December in Javeri Bazaar, India's largest B2B jewelry hub, offering expanded collections, advanced systems, and enhanced sourcing solutions for the industry. CaratLane plans to open 10 to 15 new stores every quarter as part of its strategy to expand into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, even though over half its sales still come from metro centers. Jiva has launched a new initiative, Jiva Exchange Fest, beginning 1st December 2025 across all its exclusive brand outlets. As part of this program, customers can bring in old or unused jewelry pieces, even broken or tarnished ones, and receive a fixed reward of 200 rupees per item credited to their digital Jiva wallet. Akoira by Augmont has unveiled a new wedding gifting collection featuring 14-carat recycled gold and lab-grown diamonds. The range includes minimalist rings, double hoop earrings, tennis bracelets, and symbolic motifs designed for couples, families, or loved ones to mark weddings and new beginnings with style and conscience. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. Despite high gold prices, steep import tariffs, and rising crime, the US jewelry sector recorded a 5% rise in sales in the first 10 months of 2025. Independent jewelers drove much of the growth, even as retail store numbers shrank by 13% since 2020. Thailand's jewelry and gemstone industry is on track to hit 800 billion baht in 2025, its highest value in 10 to 20 years, driven by a 49% jump in exports over the first 10 months. The boom underscores Thailand's growing global role in the gems and jewelry trade. DMCC unveiled a 1,971 kilograms silver bar certified by Guinness World Records at the Dubai Precious Metals Conference. In a world first, the bar will be tokenized via its trade flow platform under a regulated framework, enabling secure, fractionalized and verifiable ownership via partners including TokenVest and some precious metals. The African Diamond Producers Association has named the 6 Kimberley process participants that blocked the proposed expansion of the conflict diamond definition. The vetoing countries are Australia, Canada, the European Union, Switzerland, Ukraine and the United Kingdom. Cartier has expanded its Ballon Bleu de Cartier line with 4 new models, 2 in yellow gold with bold green and blue sunburst dials and 2 smaller day-night editions in red or white gold with diamond set bezels featuring a crescent-shaped day-night indicator. Van Cleef & Arpels has reimagined its iconic Alhambra line for 2025, featuring convertible necklaces, reversible rings and a jewelry timepiece that blends timeless motifs with modern versatility. On the other hand, the Meissen presents timeless art deco with Van Cleef & Arpels high jewelry at Tokyo's Metropolitan Tian Art Museum, showcasing 250 exquisite pieces. Harry Winston has launched a new timepiece, the Ocean Date Moon Phase Automatic, that combines white gold construction with a blue beaded mother of pearl dial. Movad has unveiled the 3rd chapter of its master collection, titled Sun on the 7 Wonders, presenting to new high jewelry suites inspired by the Great Wall of China and the Taj Mahal, centered on exceptionally large yellow diamond pieces that reinterpret global landmarks as wearable art. Messika has unveiled its 2025 holiday season campaign, starring Kate Moss alongside models Georgia Palmer and Jordan Burrett, marking the finale of the Meissen's 20-year anniversary celebrations in a display of cinematic glamour, friendship and Parisian chic. Now, let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan Khan's luxury lifestyle brand Diavol X has debuted its first eyewear collection globally through an online exclusive launch. The Step into the Light campaign features premium sunglasses crafted in Japan, using titanium frames and Zeiss lenses, combining style, durability, and high-end design for modern luxury consumers. Woolmark has launched a campaign titled Merino Reimagined with Agio Luxe and Tata Clique Luxury to promote merino wool in India as a modern year-round luxury fiber. The initiative highlights merino's breathability, moisture management, odor resistance and climate adaptability, targeting athleisure, premium fashion and sustainable wardrobe segments. Gaurav Gupta collaborated with Chivas Regal to launch travel retail exclusive limited edition bottles at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The activation featured sculptural packaging, AI virtual dressing, Kutu displays and a special bottle signing event. Anastasia Beverly Hills plans to expand in India to 250 premium brick-and-mortar beauty stores over the next 2 years, targeting both major metros and high-potential Tier 2 cities. Ralph Lauren has opened a new premium store at Select City Walk in Saket, part of a dual expansion that also included a store at Quest Mall. Myntra is preparing to expand internationally, targeting launches in Malaysia, the United Arab Emirates and Australia, following its recent debut in Singapore. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Prada Group is investing over €300 million to expand and modernize its manufacturing, including 4 new production sites in Italy and the UK, as it integrates Versace. Les Baldes Debutants 2025 in Paris showcased a blend of couture elegance and dazzling jewelry, with debutants appearing in gowns by leading Meissons such as Elie Saab and Georges Hobeika, paired with heritage-inspired diamond pieces and tiaras that highlighted the event's jewelry-forward aesthetic. The invite-only ball, often dubbed the Met Gala for teenagers, emphasized refined glamour through the interplay of haute couture silhouettes and statement jewelry, reinforcing its status as a pinnacle of youth, fashion and aristocratic tradition. Louis Vuitton staged its first ever fashion show in Macau, unveiling the Cruise 2026 collection at the London Arena, signaling a strategic push of luxury fashion into the city. Dior's Pre-Fall 2026 menswear collection by Jonathan Anderson showcases an elegant blend of history and modernity, merging 18th century aristocratic tailoring with contemporary casual wear sensibilities. Dolce & Gabbana has rolled out its Holiday Market project, a series of festive pop-up experiences across cities like Melbourne, Singapore, Sao Paulo, Mexico City and New York. Audemars Piguet has unveiled an intelligent watch winder created in collaboration with Dubai Future Labs that uses computer vision, a motorized arm and Bluetooth to automatically win and set time and calendar functions on its newest perpetual calendar watches. Mugler has released its first collection and campaign named The Wardrobe of Identities. The line reimagines the house's legacy through tailoring, sensuality and versatile silhouettes, blending couture heritage with contemporary vision. The Estée Lauder Companies has closed its global tech hub in Bucharest, Romania, laying off around 150 staff as part of a broader beauty reimagined restructuring plan amid weak demand and cost-cutting efforts. Christian Louboutin has reimagined Spring-Summer 2026 as a full-on theatrical spectacle, transforming Paris Dojo Arena into a high-energy stadium where fashion, dance, music and athleticism converge under a surreal fantasy lens. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, Shubh Ratri, Shabha Khair.